Thank you, Lord. You may take your seats. The presence of all those in this country. And I emphasize, we are not the ones that join human beings. It is God who joins men. We are just witnesses. Marriage is an honorable estate instituted by Jesus in the marriage in Cana of Galilee, and was likened by St. Paul to the mystical union that exists between Christ and his church. Marriage is therefore not to be defined lightly or performed thoughtlessly, but reverently, discreetly, and in the fear of God. And because this is a sacred commitment that these two persons desire to enter into, any man or woman here would show any just cause why these people should not know for you. Come on, let's clap for Jesus. Moreover, the church will charge you both as in the sight of God. The scriptures teach us concerning the duty of husbands to their wives and wives to their husbands, how husbands ought to love their wives, even as Christ has loved the church and given himself for it, that he might sanctify and cleanse it with the worship of the water by the word. So men ought to love their wives as their bodies. He that loves his wife loves himself, for no man ever hated his own flesh, but nourishes it and cherishes it, even as the Lord does the church. For this cause shall a man leave his father and mother and be joined with his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. And likewise, wives, submit yourselves unto your own husbands as unto the Lord, for the husband is the head of the wife, as Christ is the head of the church. Let the wife see that she reverences her husband. Mr. Sam Lucas, will you have this woman to be your wedded wife, to live together after God's ordinance in the holiest state of matrimony? Will you love her, but her? Will you have this woman to be your wedded wife, to live together after God's ordinance in the holy state of matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, honor and keep her? Will you have this man to be your wedded husband, to live together after God's ordinance in the holy state of matrimony? Will you love him, support him, and keeping him, forsaking all others, keeping only to him as long as both of you shall be?
I will.